In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your settings effectively on Booksy.com. Whether you're new to Booksy or just looking to refine your setup, these steps will help ensure you optimize your use of this tool to meet your specific needs. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Booksy Biz. Once you're on the site, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which holds the key to managing your appointments, calendar, and more. Your first task is to locate the settings menu, which is usually represented by an icon resembling a gear or something similar in the top navigation bar. Clicking here will open up a range of options that allow you to tailor your Booksy experience. Next, let's focus on selecting your default view. This is crucial because it determines what you see whenever you access your calendar. You might prefer to start with a daily view, which shows every appointment for the day ahead, or a weekly view for a broader perspective. Choose the view that aligns best with how you manage your time and appointments. After setting your default view, it's time to consider your display mode. This feature allows you to choose between different layout options designed to maximize readability and ease of use. Selecting the right display mode can significantly enhance how you interact with your calendar, especially if you have a packed schedule or numerous appointments to manage. Moving forward, you have the option to select your color scheme. This might seem like a small detail, but an appealing color scheme can make navigation more intuitive and decrease eye strain, which is especially helpful after long days on the platform. You'll want to choose a color scheme that helps you distinguish between various calendar elements at a glance, enabling quick navigation. Finally, if you're managing multiple calendars or using other scheduling tools, you might want to import external calendars into Booksy. To do this, simply go to the Calendar Import option within the settings. Here, you'll find instructions on integrating external calendars so all your appointments can be managed from this single platform. This syncing process ensures you never miss an appointment and keep your schedule cohesive across all platforms you use. Following these steps will help you tailor your Booksy experience to your specific needs, enhancing how you organize and manage your appointments. Remember, technology is there to serve you, so customizing your settings is crucial to make the most of the tools at your disposal. Thank you for joining me today to explore the essential steps for configuring your Booksy settings, and I look forward to guiding you through more digital tools in future videos.